Module 11, Networking and Security in the Business World. Client-server networks and topologies. A client-server network is a type of network in which multiple client devices are connected to one or more servers. The servers provide services or resources to the clients, such as files, applications, or network connectivity. In a client-server network, clients typically request resources or services from the server, and the server responds to those requests. This allows for centralized management and control of resources, and enables clients to access shared resources without having to maintain them locally. A server is a computer or device that provides resources or services to other devices on a network. Servers can provide a wide range of services, including file sharing, application hosting, email, web hosting, and database management. There are several types of servers, including file servers, web servers, application servers, and database servers. Each type of server provides a specific set of services and resources to clients. Network topology refers to the physical layout of devices on a network. There are several types of network topologies, including: in a bus topology, devices are connected to a central cable or bus. In a star topology, devices are connected to a central hub or switch. In a ring topology, devices are connected in a closed loop. In a mesh topology, devices are connected to each other in a network of interconnected nodes. The choice of network topology depends on a variety of factors, including the size and complexity of the network, the types of devices and services being used, and the level of redundancy and fault tolerance required. Setting up business networks. Transmission media. In a peer-to-peer network, each node connected to the network communicates directly with every other node. Transmission media refers to the physical channels or pathways that are used to transmit signals or data from one device to another in a communication network. There are several types of transmission media available, including wired transmission media. Wired transmission media use cables to transmit data. Some common types of wired transmission media include twisted pair cable. Twisted pair cables are made up of pairs of wires that are twisted together. They are commonly used in local area networks, LANs, and telephone systems. Coaxial cable. Coaxial cables have a single copper conductor in the center, surrounded by a layer of insulation, a layer of woven wire, and an outer layer of insulation. They are commonly used for cable television and broadband internet connections. Fiber optic cable. Fiber optic cables use light to transmit data. They are made up of glass or plastic fibers that transmit data over long distances at high speeds. They are commonly used in long-distance communication networks and high-speed internet connections. Wireless transmission media use electromagnetic waves to transmit data. Some common types of wireless transmission media include: radio waves are used for wireless communication, such as in mobile phones, Wi-Fi networks, and Bluetooth devices. Infrared waves are used for short-range communication, such as in remote controls and some wireless keyboards. Microwave transmissions are used for point-to-point communication over long distances, such as in satellite communication and microwave links. The choice of transmission media depends on several factors, including the distance between devices, the amount of data to be transmitted, and the reliability and security requirements of the network. Network adapters and navigation devices. A network adapter is a hardware component that is used to connect a device to a network. Network adapters are also known as network interface cards and come in various types, such as Ethernet, wireless, and Bluetooth adapters. An Ethernet adapter is used to connect a device to a wired network using an Ethernet cable. A wireless adapter is used to connect a device to a wireless network, such as a Wi-Fi network. A Bluetooth adapter is used to connect a device to other devices using Bluetooth technology. The physical address assigned to each network adapter is called its Media Access Control, or MAC, address. Network adapters have a unique MAC address that identifies them on the network. They also have drivers, which are software programs that allow the operating system to communicate with the adapter. Navigation devices are electronic devices that are used to help users navigate to a destination. There are several types of navigation devices available, including GPS devices. GPS, which stands for Global Positioning System. Devices use signals from satellites to determine the user's location and provide directions to a destination. GPS devices are commonly used in cars and mobile devices. Smartphones. Many smartphones come with built-in navigation features, such as GPS and mapping applications. Portable navigation devices. Portable navigation devices are standalone devices that provide GPS navigation and mapping services. They are commonly used in cars and other vehicles. Wearable devices. Some wearable devices, such as smartwatches, also come with navigation features, such as GPS and mapping applications. Navigation devices use various technologies, such as GPS, cellular network connectivity, and Wi-Fi, to determine the user's location and provide directions to a destination. They may also include features such as real-time traffic updates and points of interest. Network operating systems and network security. A network operating system is an operating system that is designed to manage and operate a network. A network operating system is typically used in larger organizations where multiple computers and devices are connected to a network. Some examples of network operating systems include Windows Server, Linux, and Novell NetWare. Network operating systems provide several features, such as network management tools, security and user access controls, file and printer sharing, and centralized administration. A network protocol is a set of rules for how information and communications are exchanged. Network security refers to the measures that are taken to protect a network and the devices connected to it from unauthorized access, theft, and damage. Network security is important for protecting sensitive data, such as financial information, personal data, and intellectual property. In an Ethernet network, the signal that is sent to indicate a signal collision is called a jam signal. Some common network security measures include firewalls. Firewalls are used to block unauthorized access to a network. They can be hardware or software-based and are designed to monitor incoming and outgoing traffic to the network. Virtual private networks, or VPNs. VPNs are used to encrypt and secure communications between devices on a network. VPNs are commonly used for remote access to a network and for secure connections between networks. Access controls. Access controls are used to restrict access to a network and its resources. This can include user authentication, passwords, and permissions. Antivirus and anti-malware software. Antivirus and anti-malware software are used to protect against viruses, malware, and other malicious software. Regular updates and patches. Regular updates and patches to software and operating systems can help to address security vulnerabilities and keep a network secure. Network security is an ongoing process that requires constant monitoring and updates to ensure that the network is protected from security threats.